Hi, I'm Frederick from Dropsolid. Sometimes you don't want to send out emails with your marketing automation system. This can happen during a maintenance weekend or in certain holiday periods. Proprietary systems have a feature called suppression lists for this. You can also have this in Mautic. I'll show you how it works. Let's dive in. After installing the suppression list plugin, you get an extra menu item here. When you click on this menu item, you see the management overview for the suppression lists. You can create new ones or manage your existing suppression lists here. Let's edit this one. When you click on it, you see the detail of this suppression list. You see the segments that won't be sending out emails on these dates, the linked campaigns that won't be sending out emails on these dates, and the selected dates. You can manage that by clicking on edit and changing the segment emails or campaigns. And you can click on manage calendar to see on which dates there won't be any emails sent out. You can select for every year, and you can select the date by just clicking on it. It won't send any emails on that date. That's it. Happy emailing. I hope you liked it. If you're interested for more, check dropsolid.ai or reach out for a live demo. Thanks for watching.